Hey y'all, it's me Trina coming back with another watercolor method process. This time we're going to be doing the electric line olive. But anyway, we're going to be using the same wig, the orange wig that I used in a different video. If you want to see how I got my wig back to blonde, you can watch my previous video and it'll show you that. So we're using the same wig. The hair is still in good condition. This is our 613 blonde, and here we go. So y'all, I changed my mind and I decided to do the ruby red instead. Here we go. First, I'm gonna put one bottle in. I'm going to dump the hair in there. Y'all done got my hair caught up in the tongs. Help me, Jesus. Might be better to use the spoon. And I'm going to let that sit for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add another bottle of the ruby red. Okay, now that I've let that sit for 2 minutes, I'm going to take it out. Really, I don't have to. I'm really good with that color. I don't have to use another bottle, do I? Yeah, I may just go with this color. That is a pretty red. I would have got a towel to drain this out. I ain't gonna stain my towels. Paper towel. Be right back. Okay, y'all, I did see that some of my roots, if you can see, let me see if I can see this without dripping. Some of my roots still had a little bit of blonde in them, so I'm going to mix in one more bottle of ruby red. We ain't got time to waste now. We're going to squeeze this out. Guess that'll work. Now we're gonna mix that. We're going to dip our wig back in. And this time I'm going to let that sit. Let's let it sit for 5 minutes. Okay, y'all, so this is the unit with the ruby red color after I washed it out and dried it, and I also flat ironed it. And this is the unit that I also had in the color Orange by Adore. So yeah, I just decided to color it the color ruby red. I know I said I was gonna do electric line, but I changed my mind. So until the next watercolor. Okay, I'm also gonna do a video on how to get this staining out of the lace when you do the watercolor. I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet, y'all. I keep touching it, it's so soft. Can't stop touching it. Turn it. So that's it. Until next time. Bye bye.